welcome back to Caden's Lab. This is my first ever adventure video. I'm so excited. We're gonna learn a lot of stuff and have a lot of fun together. We're going on a hike that's gonna end at a waterfall. We were lucky that there was a map that shows where the waterfall was. Even our dog wanted to go on the adventure. Sometimes he likes to explore by himself. Remember to help your siblings when they get stuck. But be respectful if they tell you that they can do it. I found a very fun log to climb on. Look at the size of that tree. I'm very lucky that I live in Florida. It's a very warm and beautiful place with a lot of nature to explore. This is very steep. Be careful. Guys, I found a tree that fell over that made an overhang. Like a house. Whoa. On the trail, we found the millipede. That was a Florida ivory millipede. They eat plants, they're not poisonous, and they can grow up to 4 inches long. Whoa. If you ever find plants with holes in them, they're probably eaten by bugs. Maybe our millipede friend had a snack. When we were leaving, I found a mini bonus waterfall. Look at this massive pine cone. Whoa, that was a lot of fun. Thanks for coming with me. I'm so lucky I live in such a beautiful place. Bye guys, I'll see you next time, Caden's Lab. Oh, I kept the pine cone.